In this video, I'll show you how to add RFID cards to your Apple Wallet. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Okay, so adding RFID cards to Apple Wallet could be so advantageous because, for one, similar to NFC cards, we also have a separate video adding your NFC cards to Apple Wallet, so you might want to check on our channel. And adding RFID cards to Apple Wallet could help consolidate your cards digitally, reducing the need to carry multiple physical cards and streamlining access to them, alright? I have done this in the past, so I've linked my RFID cards to my Apple Wallet, and by doing so, all you need to do is simply go to your mobile device, alright? So this is where the magic happens. Alright, so here, all we're gonna do, we need to set up our RFID cards to Apple Wallet. So first off, in the Wallet app, tap the add button, plus, alright? This one right here, and tap the debit or credit card to add a new card. Simply here, debit or credit card. And then once you've done that, all I'm gonna do is basically put the RFID number, right? And tap continue. Follow the steps on the screen to add a new card. And of course, you need to verify your information with your card issuer. They might ask you to provide more information or to even download an app before approving your card for use with Apple Pay. And also, if you've paired your Apple Watch, you might also have the option to also add your RFID card to your watch, alright? And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in the next one.